Greetings and salutations. Welcome again, frag heads, fragrance family, smell goods all around, everywhere around the world. Everybody watching me and they can hear my voice, see my face. It's me, D Boogie, on Taste and Scents. And once again, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna check out some Middle Eastern fragrances. I got a couple of fragrances here that I picked up from Fragrance Buy, one of my favorite fragrance discounters. I use Joma Shop, Fragrance Net, Scent Split, but Fragrance Buy is my go-to because they do me right. They always have. I rarely ever can't find what I'm looking for. And when it's out of stock, it's usually back in stock fairly quickly. Um, in saying that, just know that I'm just saying that I use Fragrance Buy just to let you know where I get my scents from. They're not paying me at all. But anyway, these two scents I have here. The first one today, well, I have two. I have Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. And this one is from the Lattafa Pride line, and this one is called Affection. So the first one I'm gonna check out is we're gonna look at the Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. It comes in this coffin-like box. It's got your batch code and it's got your sticker and all the stuff. The ingredients. The typical. Let you know it's genuine. It's a genuine clone. um, I'm not 100% as to what this is cloning. I want to say that it might be a clone of Atomic Rose by Initio. I hear it's not the best one, but as a standalone fragrance, I hear that it is amazing. So I decided to check it out. And for the price point, I mean, why not? I mean, sub $30. I mean, you can't beat it. So we're actually gonna put this one. We're actually gonna put this one on skin. Decent atomizer. It's pretty good actually. Okay. Okay. hmm Very rose centric. This is very unisex. With the rose in it, from my understanding, there are two different kinds of rose in it: Hungarian and Bulgarian rose. Maybe I'm not 100% sure. I believe one of them is Hungarian rose, but I'm not a rose connoisseur, so if you put 8 roses in front of me, I really wouldn't know the difference. I just know a rose is a rose is a rose. A rose by any other name, you know what I'm saying? Mm. It's getting a little spicy, a little fruity. I smell a little vanilla peeping through it's peeping through in there. It's nice. It's nice. I can see wearing this in the cooler months. This is definitely not one of the ones that you would want to wear, on a blazing hot day. But I mean, you could rock it. You could rock it. Don't get it wrong. You could rock it in the just be lighter on the sprays. 2, 3 sprays, and that's it. That's all you're gonna need. The high heat would carry this. Yeah, that's nice. I have to give that one about a 7.75. Yeah, I would keep it in rotation, most definitely. I mean, and for the price point, they have another one called Infinity Rose by Fragrance World, I believe. And I hear that one is even closer to Atomic Rose. Um, got a little oud peeking in too. That's kind of nice. This is kind of like Bade'e Al Oud, Oud for Glory, with a rose hint, with rose to it. This is nice. It's nice. I say, yeah, definitely. I still stick it at a 7.75 because it might not be for everybody. But if you don't mind, if you like a good rose scent with a good oud backbone, this is definitely Bade'e Oud Amethyst. Really nice bottle, very hefty with the gold placard on it. Very, very similar to most Initio fragrances. They did not shy away from what they were cloning because this bottle looks pretty much like the original bottle. The OG cap's nice. It's not magnetic, but it's very, very, very snug. It's not coming off. You got to pull that. That's good. That's a good cap. Presentation is good. All right. Let's see what we got here. This is the Lattafa Pride Affection. This is supposed to be a clone of Pistachio Gelato from Kayali. I believe that's right. Pistachio Gelato. So we're going to see what it is. Box opens up like that. Fits in there. You got your little, oh, what's this? Oh, this is the booklet that tells you about all the upcoming Lattafa Pride collection, the ones that are upcoming, the ones that are out now. Some of these are vintage radio. You better believe I will be getting some of that very, very, very soon. Okay, Art of Arabia's got some of those. I have a couple of. I have the Art of Arabia 3. I will be doing a review on soon. Oh yeah, they got a bunch of them coming out. Uh-oh. Go ahead, Lattafa. So this bottle, it's very heavy, matte black, very, very heavy glass. Nice. Got your batch code. It's got an embossed, it's raised, embossed on here. Like a etched, not embossed, but like a etched, where it says love on here, and then above it, it's etched, or it's raised, and it says affection. Very, very nice detail, nice quality. Top clicks in place, but you know, it doesn't take much to pull it off. So it's not the sturdiest cap, but it's nice, solid cap, metal cap. Not bad. Let's see what she do. Atomizer's okay. Ooh. Spraying it in the air, I caught a whiff of the pistachio immediately. Very nutty. Pause. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Creamy. fruity, the pistachio. They say the notes are marshmallow and whipped cream and pistachio and sandalwood, and you get all of that. You get all of it. You get all of that. This is definitely, it leans a little feminine. You know, it's definitely something, it's unisex. It's definitely unisex, but it might lean a little feminine, you know, to somebody who's not as confident in themselves. But me, I'll rock it all day because it smells delicious. I hear that the Kayali pistachio gelato is more of a feminine, they're more feminine fragrances. So I'm assuming that this is more of a masculine take. This is that fragrance, and they add a little masculine spin to it by adding a little more woods, a little extra spices, you know, which is perfectly fine with me because, I like the scent profile a lot. Yes. This is definitely, this is a 9 out of 10 all day, all day. Lattafa Affection, Lattafa Pride. This is from the Lattafa Pride collection. The Lattafa Pride collection, they run a little more than the regular Lattafas, but it's still sub $40. I mean, for 100 mil, the quality of the bottle, the presentation is nice, but the juice, the more it dries down, the more this gets addicting. This is a really, really good fragrance. Good job, Lattafa. Well, anyway, that'll wrap it up for today. 2 more scents that we were going to review and rate with your host, D Boogie. This is Taste and Scents. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that you'll know the next time I'm coming, because it will be soon. I got some more bangers, some more hidden gems. I got some more knowledge to drop on you. Peace, love, and hair grease.